So, house in a box. Here you have it, building kits. What you see is what you get. It's all in the box. And actually you see already a few extensions. There's a whole range of extensions and that will be a separate video. This is about the alternative, because you can get this as a building kit, but if we put this all aside, you can also choose to go with this. This is the same house as you get in the building kit, but here you have all the wall frames, the shingles, the dormers, the windows, the doors. You get your building instructions, you get the layout of the house, and you get two more things. Now I cut, when it comes to the full building kit, all the foam myself. In this case, you have to do it yourself. In order to help you out, you get all the necessary templates in order to cut the house and the possible extensions. And you also get a cutting instruction video where I will cut every single piece of the building kit step by step, so you can follow along. So for those who like a challenge, if you have a foam cutter, if you have access to foam that is 6 centimeters thick, a little bit over 2 inch, 2/5 of an inch, then this is something for you.